Hi, this is Dinesh. So now I am going to give a demo on how to control an LED using push button. So you can see here I have taken my Raspberry Pi board. So Raspberry Pi board is being connected with the simple LED circuit controlled by a switch. So this is the switch which I have taken. So a resistor is being connected from one leg of the switch using an yellow wire. It is connected to 5 volts, and the other leg of the push button is connected to the ground, where already the simple LED circuit with an LED and a resistor is connected to the Raspberry Pi. So this is the actual connection which is needed for controlling an LED using push button. Now let us get into the coding part. As you can see here, I have opened the button LED, which is the program which I am going to use. So this program is being taken from the Raspberry Pi terminal, where once if you give the command sudo nano button LED py, where I have written the program. So you can see that it's a first line is import RPI GPIO, the general purpose input output, and the second line indicates you are importing the sleep command from the library time. Then whatever warnings are there, I am putting it as false, and I am setting the mode of, that is the GPI board, into the connections. The next part shows GPIO setup, where I am using the 5th pin as the output pin and 16th pin as the input pin. So I'm setting up these two pins initially. Then the next line shows while true, which means that our program continuously runs until I close it. If GPIO input pin, that is 16 pin, is true, then my output should be on and off. That is GPIO output 5 should be high. Then I'm taking a sleep time of 1 millisecond. Then once again, 1 second, and once again the output pin becomes low for 1 second. So it continues. If I am going to press the if I'm going to press my button, then automatically GPIO output is going to become high continuously and it will not beep. So like an LED which is switching on and off takes place only when the button is not pressed. If the button is pressed, automatically the output is going to be high. So now let's get into the output. So let me run the command by closing the program. I'm just running the command by taking Python and the program name. Once I press enter, you can see that the LED button is going to be blinking continuously on and off. If I